To open the Share options, find the document you want to share and click the three-dot menu icon next to it. From the context menu that pops up, select Share. This is where you can grant access to a specific user or an entire department. The Share window is now open. Let's go to the next step, which is to set custom access permissions, allowing us to control exactly what the recipient can do with the file. Once the Share pop-up opens, you'll see a few access options. To fine-tune who gets access, click on the Custom button so you can pick specific users or departments. Since we want to share this with someone outside our own department, head over to the Other Departments tab. The permissions are now configured. Let's go to the next step, which is adding users and setting expiry, where we'll choose who gets access and how long that access lasts. To grant access to someone outside the department, hit the plus icon next to Brian from the IT team to add him to the share list. For security, you'll want to control how long this access lasts. Click on the No Expiry option and pick an end date from the calendar, say the 31st of July 2026, so access is automatically revoked afterward. The user has been selected and expiry is set. Let's go to the next step, which is confirming the share to finalize access for the recipient. With everything set the way you want, go ahead and hit the Share button to finalize it. You'll see a confirmation pop up letting you know the file was shared successfully. Now that the share is complete, close out of the Share window to head back to your dashboard. The document has been shared successfully. Let's go to the next step, which is to check the Shared by Me list so we can verify our document was shared correctly. To keep track of everything you've shared, head over to the Shared section in the left sidebar. Switch to the Shared by Me tab to see a full list of documents you've given others access to. The shared document is now visible in our Shared by Me list, confirming the share was successful. Let's go to the next step, which is logging out of the account, so we can sign back in as the recipient and see the shared file from their perspective. Let's go to the next step, which is logging in as the shared user to access the document from the recipient's side. To log in as the shared user, enter Brian's email address into the username field. Hit the Sign In button to access his account. You'll land on Brian's dashboard, ready to see the document that was just shared with him. We're now logged in as the shared user. Let's go to the next step, which is viewing notifications to see the alert about the newly shared document. To confirm the recipient was notified, click the notification bell icon at the top. You'll see a Files Shared with You alert pop up, letting the user know a document has just been shared their way. We've reviewed the notification for the shared file. Let's go to the next step, which is opening the shared document to view its contents. To find the document that was just shared with you, head over to the Shared section in the left sidebar. This opens the Shared with Me page, where all documents others have shared with you appear. Go ahead and click on the shared file to open it. The document opens in a new tab where you can scroll through and review its contents. Notice that based on the permissions we set earlier, you can only view this file and downloading isn't allowed. Once you're done reviewing, simply close the tab. The recipient has successfully viewed the shared document. Let's go to the next step, which is reviewing the access log, where we can track exactly who accessed the file and when. To keep track of who's doing what with your documents, head over to the Audit Trail section in the left sidebar. And here it is, the complete access log. You can clearly see that user viewed the quotation file, giving you full visibility and accountability over your shared documents.